Hello there. Welcome to School at 7. All right. So at School at 7, you wake up, okay? You wake up, solve, pass. So here we focus on exam content, ECZ preparation made simple, and daily questions, better results. So this is your daily ECZ advantage. Okay. So today we are looking at a very interesting subject and topic, and this is mathematics. Okay. So our focus will be on algebra single fraction. So make sure that you get your book and you get your pen, and let's revise together. Okay, so this is the question from maths paper 2. Okay, so the question reads, express the following as a single fraction in its lowest terms. Okay, so now before you answer this question, you must understand that you need to find the lowest common multiple, or rather the lowest common denominator, which is the same denominator, and then we're going to expand. After expanding, we're going to simplify. So get your pen and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a line here. Okay, that's that we're going to use. Let me just reduce it a bit. Okay, it's not really straight, so we're going to draw a straight line that we're going to use. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think this is okay. Right, so we're going to write equals. Now we're going to make the same denominator. So this is our lowest common denominators, or lowest common multiples. So we're going to write them down here the way they are. All right, 3m minus 2 close brackets. Okay, this side as well, 2m minus 3 close bracket. So you see, this one comes down, this one comes here. This is the logic. Okay, there you have it. Okay, so these are our common, or these are our, we have actually found the LCM. All right, so after this we now expand. Okay, we now expand, we multiply these two with everything on the other side, and then this one with everything on the other side. Please pay attention to the signs. Okay, so now let's do this. 2 by everything on this side, so we're going to write 2. Okay, let me just use my blue pen. So 2, open brackets, 2m minus 3, okay, minus 3, okay, the minus comes down, this one here comes down there, right, and then 1 with everything on this side, okay, which is 3m minus 2 close brackets. Okay, move to the second stage. Here we now expand. We multiply 2 with everything inside here, and then we multiply -1 with everything inside here. These common denominators remain the same. They remain the same. We bring them down the way they are. Okay, so I'll get my my line. I'll bring it down here. Okay, again. Okay, bit there. Okay, so now let's expand. 2 by 2m, we have 4m. I beg your pardon, sorry about that. Let me just do this. Let me erase here. Okay, so let's write first the common denominators. Minus 3. Okay, now let's expand. 2 by 2m, it is 4m. Okay, and then 2 again times negative 3, it is negative 6. Continue. At negative 1 by 3m, it is negative 3m. Then negative 1 times negative 2, it is positive 2. Okay, this is how you go about it. All right, so continue. Now when you reach at this stage, you group the like terms. All right, we group the like terms. We simplify the numerators. So the numerators are here, the denominators are here. We don't touch them. We simplify the numerators. Okay, so now let's group the like terms. We see that 4m and negative 3m are the same. So what we do? We write 4m. Okay, when 3 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 3m. Okay, negative 6 will go to the other side, it will be negative 6 plus 2. Okay, hope you're following. I'll bring my circle down, or my line, my straight line. I'll duplicate it here and bring it here. Okay, so we'll bring our denominators the way they are. Okay. Right, so now our final answer will be 4m minus 3m. It is equal to m minus negative 6 plus 2. All right, pay attention to this sign. Okay, on your number line, this here will give you a negative 4. Okay, on your number line will give you a negative 4. This is why I've written the sign first. Okay, so negative 6 plus 2, it is 4, and then you get a sign with a bigger number. Okay, so our answer here will be 4. And then we bring our line here. Let me just reduce it a bit so that it fits here. Okay, so we now write the denominator the way it is. Okay, minus 3. So this is our final answer. This here is our final answer. This is our final answer. This is how you actually solve such a question. Number one step, the first step, you do what? You find the LCM. Second, all right, you make the same denominator. Make the same denominator. Third step, you do what? You expand. Okay, so these are exam tips for you. And the fourth step, you simplify. You simplify the what? The numerators. All right, you simplify numerator. Okay, we have come to the end of our revision session. If you love this content and if you want us to revise more questions like this so that you are prepared for the exam, I'm inviting you. Okay, these are the details for you to actually join us and enjoy the sessions with us. You can ask all the questions you have and you'll be prepared for distinctions. Okay, so these are the details. These are the details. Okay, thank you so much for watching this is the end. See you in my next revision session. It is bye for now.